Schlemchen friends!
Schlemchen friends, and today we want to show you the newest version from our e-scooter tuning.
New updates, new patches for the e-scooter tuning for every SEGWAY NINEBot. And yeah, what should we say? It is awesome. We have so many new features in the new SEGWAY tuning. First, you need to buy a license code, link in the description. We have from our own, so we are a reseller. We can help you if you have some troubles, but in this video we want to show you everything you need to know that you can make your scooter faster.
Yeah, we are sorry for our bad English, but we try our best that you can understand everything. If there's something wrong, just ignore it. Our point is that you know how it works, and if there are problems, we will help you. If you need help, first of all, please use the contact
formula.
Yeah, the contact formula, the contact page from our website. Please don't just write to the email address from the store, because there are a lot of spam mails and we can't help you, we can't see it. Just use the contact formula down in the description. We can link, put a link in the description for you if you need help. But we hope if you see this video, you know everything. You know more than us.
Yeah. So first off, you need a SEGWAY NINEBot, so Z3, G3, F3, and we have a SEGWAY NINEBot G3 here, and in the German version. So in the German version, it's only 22 kilometers. It's very slow, and yeah, we need to fix that a little bit.
Yeah, we make this a little bit faster.
If you have a SEGWAY G3, it can go up to 45 kilometers per hour. It's like 42 kilometers GPS. And yeah, let's show you how easy it works to make your scooter faster.
Yeah, it's very easy. I will show you in a few seconds. But at first, if you make the scooter faster with the license key, you have zero start and cruise control. Maybe it's nothing special for you, but in Germany it's illegal. So we have to unlock this with this here.
In Germany we have to kick our scooter.
Yeah.
So we are not allowed to use zero start.
No.
It's
and if you already buy a license key, you can use your old license key to make this update. You don't have to buy a new one. And the light settings are working too now. But now I want to show you how this is working. So first of all, go to the website. You will get, if you buy a key, we don't want to show the website here, but if you buy the key, you get a link to the website.
You get a whole instruction, so everything you need to know is in the...
yeah, including this video. This video will be in the instruction too. It's very important that you use an Android phone with Google Chrome or an iPhone or iOS device, but don't with Safari. Use Bluefi. Bluefi is a free web browser, but it gives you a Bluetooth permission. It gives you the permission to connect to Bluetooth devices, and Safari, yeah, it don't work with Safari.
Yeah,
okay.
Very important, but we got a lot of questions why it's working.
A lot of questions, and it works, friends. You will see it's working very nice. So if you are on the website, just click on E-Scooter verbinden. And now I want to show you, you can now change the language. I will put this in English and make a screen Aufnahme. So I started screen recording, and now you see here EN. You can switch the language now, so it's easier for you. So we click on Connect Device. And when we click on our scooter, the SEGWAY app have to be closed. Your scooter is allowed to have two Bluetooth connections at the same time. So now please make sure vehicle is turned on, tap the power button.
Zack.
Please wait. Oh, and that was it. Now we see tuning firmware not installed, installed firmware. This is the first what we do. We click on install firmware. This install custom firmware on your scooter. Continue. Install. Now you have to pass your license key. If you put in your license key, you can click on Remember Me for 30 days. Before this video started, we
do that already.
We do this already because we do the tutorial for Germany first. So we don't to put in your license key here. But normally you have to put in your license key in this step.
Yeah. The best one of the tuning, the best is that this tuning is working with every firmware. So
Yeah.
if you have the newest firmware, it's no problem. You can tune your e-scooter very easy. You see it's a few clicks, and now after the flashing of the new firmware, you get everything you need to make the scooter fast.
Yes, and there's a very good new option, and this is the panic mode. You can make your own brake trick, you can make your own unlock custom key. So what I mean, you start the scooter and you have to press in the first 30 seconds the unlock key, your own unlock key. I will show you this later. For example, left brake, right brake, button up, button down, and then your scooter is going full speed.
Customable.
Yeah, and if you want to make the scooter original very fast, and you don't have time to shut down the scooter and restart the scooter because this takes a few moments, we have now a panic button. The panic button is the boost button on the on the scooters here.
The custom sounds is working too.
It's the button left from the left blinker.
Yeah, it's the left button you see on the
And if you press this button in the tuning mode, you are instantly go to original. This is very good. So it's very safe.
In Germany it's 22 kilometers. In every EU country it's 25 kilometers. So if you drive 45 kilometers, you push the button and then you are back on your original speed.
Yeah, we will show you this at the end of the video. So now we have a tuning firmware installed and it was very easy. And now we can configure our unlock. In this example, you have here configure unlock sequences. You can X this shit and make your own code. Here, start with, no, I want to start with left brake, left brake, right brake, and blinker left, blinker right. So the code is now left, right, left, right, left, right. But you see, you can use, you can make your own code. It's very good. So now we click on save, and we will have to remember this, but we can reconnect and see what we type in here. So now we have something special in settings. We click on settings, and now here the panic button. Replace the action of a boost custom button to make it switch back to normal profile when tuning profile. Important, this is only active when you are in the tuning profile. If you are not in the tuning profile, the button has its normal function. Beep on tuning mode, on tuning profile. Play a sound when entering tuning profile. Yeah, this is, yeah.
So you can see if you have turned the tuning on correctly. So we can make it to turn it out, turn it off, and we turn it on. So don't push anything. So custom sound is working too. So left, right, left, right, left, right. And there is the sound that is working now.
The sound of silence. Oh, sorry. And you see the scooter is going 45 kilometers. But we will show you this later. First, I want to show you the settings. And we have now the standard profile. You can adjust the top speed. And the top speed in our case is 22 kilometers per hour because this is the top speed from the German scooter. And you can activate underglow lights and front light bar and cruise control. If I change yet now something here, nothing will happen because he shut down the scooter a few seconds ago and I have to reconnect, but it's never mind. So we can change this if we want. And in the tuning profile, we can adjust the top speed. In our case, it's 45 kilometers per hour. It's around 35 kilometers per hour for the ZT3, for the F3, 35, and for the GT3,
50.
It's 50 kilometers per hour. And we can make underglow lights, front light bar, and cruise control on or off here too. And the SEGWAY app, you can use the SEGWAY app too if you want. But please don't make any official updates from the SEGWAY app. So this can be, can be crashed with the tuning software. and then it maybe don't work anymore. So please don't make any official updates. And now we want to show you the
panic button.
The panic button. Wait for a second. I will
Come here. Come close. Come closer.
Okay. Wait a second.
So you have the P, and now we can start the speed. 55, and this is the button.
Ja.
Wo stand da jetzt?
Dass du so schnell fährst.
Achso. Yeah, and it's back to normal. So if every policeman is chasing you
On your private ground, my friends, please don't drive on official roads because this is illegal and we don't do illegal stuff. We are, for example, we are driving only here in this office. We have a circle there where we are driving, and we are driving on our private test.
Important. And
Gelände.
wear a helmet and wear some shoes.
Yeah, and if you have any questions, please just write it down in the comments below. But please don't write at the wrong email. Just use the contact formular in Germany. Don't know what's in English, but never mind. Just use the link below if you have any questions, and then we can help you. But we can't help you if you contact the wrong email address. And yeah, if you have any struggle, let us know. And no, the link from the tuning code is in the description. But first, you have to subscribe this channel, because we don't have 5 Milliarden Abonnenten.
It's very sad. So we are trying to make this channel growing, and our English skills is getting a little bit better.
A little bit, I hope so.
So if you want to buy the license code, it's down in the description. And if you want to buy the SEGWAY NINEBot, down in the description too. So if you want to make some donations for us, you don't pay more, but we get something.
Yeah, if you buy a Ninebot from the Amazon link in the description. Yeah, that's right. Okay, friends, I hope you understand everything. We are sorry for our bad English, but I think the main thing is that you understand what we want to say, so I think this was successful, maybe. Yeah. Okay, we see you next time. Please be careful, don't drive too fast, and don't drive in the bathroom.